craving for both Western and Asian cuisine at the same time? Keen for a casual and exciting dining concept? Located at the Jubilee Entertainment Center here in Ang Mo Kio, Cowboy Taro recently opened its doors, offering a variety of fusion cuisine. With a distinct menu featuring a tantalizing fusion of American and Asian cuisine, Cowboy Taro offers its customers from all walks of life a memorable dining experience. They also have different menus for adults and kids and also different parts of the day. Now let's take a look on how they prepare the dishes. Some of their signature dishes include ribeye steak, ranch house burger, fish and chips, and grilled chicken. Let's hear what the customers have to say about the food, the ambience, and the price.
This is the first time I'm here at Cowboy Taro. I just had the special promotion, set lunch, at $10. I find it very value for money. The food is good. I'm very sure I'll come again.
价钱很公道啦，环境很美，很优雅。
I like the food here. I had a salad before, it was really good, and I'm having pie right now. It reminds me of the Western culture.
They also have several discounts including the happy hour, where diners can enjoy 50% off on desserts and appetizers from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. on weekdays. There's also a bingo card promotion where customers get to collect free food or merchandise. So, what are you waiting for? Head down to Cowboy Taro now!